So hi, as a developer of a Lagom watch face, I receive a bunch of questions: how to install the watch face, to customize, how to change language, time and date format, and so on. So in this video, I will actually show you how to do all of these steps. So let's start from the connecting your Garmin device to the phone. So we need to install first Connect app and Connect IQ from the Play Store or App Store. And in general, I would say Connect is responsible for your sport activity and Connect IQ more for design. So let's open the Connect. You have to be sure that your Bluetooth on the phone is actually on here. And then you click plus. And then on the device, you hold the middle button, that is for Garmin 645. You can find it on your devices, will be different. So I go to settings and find the actually phone, and then go to pair the phone. So I'm just waiting in this mode. Browse mine. This is a Forerunner 645 music. Now I can click actually download Garmin Connect Mobile on the complete step on here and here, connected. Okay. So now you see the code here. It's a good sign. Probably we need to wait a little bit. Okay, if you want to receive the notification to the Garmin device. So I would generally recommend to keep it close, so it probably will work faster. You see, it's done. So now, as you can see, we have a connected device here, and you see this green light, which means it's actually connected and actually get the data from the device. And the next step will be how to install a custom watch face. After we connect device and phone, you can go up, open the Connect IQ, and technically your device should be here. So you click on My Device, wait a little bit, then you go to My Watch Faces. This was kind of my previous one. You can go also to the store. So here you can scroll down and find Data Reach watch face, let's say. And then you can choose any watch, but I will show you example on the watch that I'm developing. It's called Lagom. So you can just search it, open it. Here you actually can see the video, how it looks. You can also read some descriptions, like contact developer if you need. And also, I will find useful, you can go to reviews on any watch face and actually read what the people think about it and what the developer reply. I tried to reply really quick, but it's good to check how the watch face is supported. So we go to click install. Some watches, some apps actually require some permission, including Lagom. Click allow and wait. Don't be afraid of this payment. It will not charge you anything. It's just show that this watch face has pro feature that you can purchase on a developer website. Downloading it should be pretty quick, but installing to the watch face is pretty slow because the Bluetooth connection is not so fast. But technically you can just leave it for a while, don't do anything, and then the watch face will be installed on this device. You can actually go back. You see there is a green circle around to show how it works. So install apps. You see the download queue, so it's installing. Let's wait until it's done, or even actually restart the app. But actually you see that's actually a move to the Garmin device. So now you have installed Lagom watch face on your device with the kind of default layout. Let's look how you can actually change the watch face. Click watch face, wait, and now you see this small bar on the left, so you can go up and then you actually choose the watch face that already you have on the device. We will leave the Lagom and click apply. So the next part is how to change time format from 12 hours to 24. So going to this in the Connect app, going to this menu, scroll down, general, scroll down, choose 24, back. Okay, and actually, as you might see, it's not instantly changed because it takes time. Now it says, now you have 24 format. So next part is how to change date format. Here we have to go back to the Connect IQ, and if a developer set it for settings, we go to settings. So now we're in the settings, and you can see here date format. So you select date format, and then you can choose a bunch of different ones. So let's say we choose this one, save. Okay, wait a little bit, and now we have different date format. How to change miles to kilometers? It also depends on the watch face. Some will control from the Connect, but for Lagom case, you go to settings. If we want to change metrics, we actually click here, choose miles. We can also change independently wind speed to knot the miles as well here. Then you click save. Okay, now we have miles. So how to change brightness if you have devices with the bright display? You can also go to settings, scroll down, and then you have a brightness level for RED when your watch actually shows simple version of the watch face. You go here, and then from the 1 to 3 you can choose. So the next question is how to change style. I set the link for a different video when I explain how the Lagom structured, but in general you actually go to the any watch face that you downloaded from the Connect IQ app, go settings, and then you can scroll down and see what the developer gives you as an option. Lagom is quite rich in this case. You can change all the places. You can, let's say you want to use place 1, and then you have a bunch of options to place, but it really depends on the watch face. How to set the hertz zones. So first you have to be sure that actually your device is sending the data to the Connect app. And you can see my pulse or heart rate here. So if I go here, go to settings, and then place 1, heart rate, click save. Okay, now you see the heart rate, and if you want to use zones, you scroll down a little bit, and then you have it will color the zones. So basically you have to set your age, and it will calculate the zones, and if it's go beyond 120 you will see this number in red, green or blue. How to customize the layout. We will go to the settings, and we can start from the top. You see you have play stop, it's a week 13. You click, and then you can choose which data point you want to show. I will record a separate video to explain each of this position, but in general you can set battery text, save, and then you have battery on top. So the next one is next line. You have a icon on the left, it's here, and icon on the right here. So let's say is the phone connected? Save. Okay, now we see that the phone is connected. So regarding the time, you can scroll down a little bit. What you can do is actually remove the leading zero if you have a 0.7. You can also use military format like this. And for sure you can change your colors. You just scroll down, and you can see ours color, let's say so blue. Save. Now it's so blue. And then the third line, on line number 4, you have 4 positions. This is place 1, place 2, and place 3. And same for the bottom one. You have a bottom place 1. This is a small icon battery, and bottom place 2 is this. And actually, if you see that it's too close and your watch face has space to show it because of the data, you can scroll down a little bit, and you see they have a custom spacing. So bottom place, let's say 105. Save. Save. Yes. And now we have more space here. It really depends on the data that you want to place here, but you can perfectly fit custom layout for your device. So that's it. Thank you. But I have a small present for you. It's 20% off for Lagom watch face if you activate this in April 2023, and you can find code here or in the description below. See you.